Good morning, students. Today we are going to conduct the fourth experiment in our electrical machines 1 lab, that is load test on single phase induction motor. The aim of the experiment is to conduct a load test on a single phase induction motor and to plot the performance characteristic of the motor. The main apparatus required are a voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter and tachometer to measure the speed. Here voltmeter to measure the voltage applied across the single phase induction motor, and ammeter is used to note down the current drawn at each load condition. This is the overall circuit diagram of an experiment on load test on a single phase induction motor. So here we have a phase and neutral supply, then we have a single phase auto transformer here, then an ammeter, and wattmeter is connected here to measure power, then voltmeter connected across the input terminals of a single phase induction motor. We have two windings here, the main winding and the auxiliary winding, and we are using a starting capacitor and running capacitor. During starting, the starting capacitor comes into picture. Once the motor started running at its rated speed, then this running capacitor will come into picture and the starting capacitor will go off. This centrifugal switch what we have, it will open. Then this auxiliary winding will be bypassed and directly the supply will be applied across the main winding. So this is what the overall experiment setup we have in our laboratory. So we have a single phase induction motor here, and we have a spring balance to apply the load, and then we have a auto transformer, we have a mains here. Now let's see how exactly the connections are made to conduct this experiment. Initially we will do the series connections starting from phase point to ammeter, then wattmeter, then L2 auxiliary winding, okay, then coming back to V is shorted to the neutral point. Okay, so here basically we have a multimeter in our laboratory where exactly we can read all the electrical parameters such as voltage, current, power factor consumed by the induction motor during any load condition. Okay, let's see how exactly the connections are made. Initially the supply should be given to the auto transformer from mains. From mains we have to connect auto transformer first, and then from auto transformer phase terminal we will directly give it to the multimeter phase terminal, again neutral to the phase terminal of a multimeter. Then the phase terminal of a multimeter should be given to the main winding, then this auxiliary winding should be shorted to the main winding, then these two terminals should be shorted. We don't have any connections here, so we have to short these two knobs, and then from that knob we should have a bypass wire for auxiliary winding. When the motor picks up its rated speed, then this running capacitor should come into picture. Again from we have to connect one more wire between this switch, centrifugal switch, and then from running capacitor starting capacitor should be shorted. Again that phase point should be, neutral point should be given to back to the multimeter. This is how exactly the connections are made for a single phase induction motor. Here in the manual we have given that the AC represents starting capacitor, RC represent running capacitor. This is how exactly we do the connection for a single phase induction motor. Now let's see how exactly the experiment is conducted.